Hello there, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to open command prompts like a hacker. Now, the normal way to open command prompt is just go to your start menu and type CMD. Then you could have the command prompt window right here. But this is the way the noobs do. We have to open it like hackers. Now, follow me. The first step we are going to try is press Windows button plus X. That is the start menu button plus X. Then we're going to press A. Now you will have this pop-up screen right here. Click on yes. Then you have opened the command prompt window. This is another way of opening command prompt. The second way to open command prompt as a hacker is to use the run box prompt. So you're going to type Windows button or start menu button plus R. Then you're going to type CMD right here. So when you type CMD right here, you're going to click enter on this and it's going to open the command prompt window. Now the third way to open command prompt like a hacker is to actually create a shortcut on your desktop. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to create a shortcut on my desktop. The thing we are going to do is we're going to click here on the screen, right click, then you're going to click on new, go to the shortcuts, click on the shortcuts. Now in the shortcut section, you're going to type CMD, click on next, click on finish, and you can see that it has created a CMD icon right here. So when you click on this anytime, it's just going to automatically launch the command prompt window for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome hacking videos.